I'm back. Um, I'm sorry, I can complete the challenge, but I'm back. I can complete the I can complete the 10 years, but it's so hard to not upload like 3 weeks or 5 weeks. It's so hard, but I love you. I love you. I hope you miss